Got a messy car? Meet your new best friend, the Fanttik car vacuum. I've used it to clean my car in just minutes. This baby charges super fast with a Type-C cable, fully charged in 2.5 hours, so you're ready to roll. The 4-in-1 multifunctional design is awesome. From vacuuming crumbs to inflating tires, it's all covered. With 19,000 PA suction power, it picks up everything from dust to sand effortlessly. It's like magic. Seriously, this vacuum transformed my car cleaning routine. Ready to join the Clean Car Club? Grab yours now and thank me later.